Hey everybody, it's Zach from SharkyBite here with another awesome ocean update. So before we get started, just as a reminder for any of you that are not subscribed to our ocean platform, up until the conference, we're doing a special discount for our ocean and plugin package. That would be $2,000 a month for both, and starting January 1st, you will get the web, JavaScript, and JavaScript 2.0 plugins absolutely free. Um, when the conference hits, the prices will be going up for Ocean as well as our plugin package, so don't wait. If you aren't aware also, our Ocean package works just like our plugin package, so you get all the tools, no tiers, any new requests for tools. We do the dev work for free. You get those at no additional cost. There's unlimited workflow creation. There's no contract, so we are month to month, just like a Netflix subscription. Everything we build, we host on Azure, so there's no additional cost there. It is completely admin friendly and no code. We like to think that our platform is super easy and straightforward for non-technical admins out there. So if you are interested in running automations outside of Encompass Web, there isn't an easier platform than the one we have for you here. All right, let's dig in and see what's going on. So we're going to talk about a few things here in our Ocean platform. First thing we're going to talk about is our error emailing. So if for whatever reason you get errors due to misconfiguration or just in general things going wrong, we will now send out emails to all of the Ocean accounts that are signed up under your domain, which is really, really nice. Next up, we had a small bug with first lien. So this first lien field 420 acts a little bit goofy when it comes to what value it shows in the loan, what it shows in the pipeline, and what value it needs to be pushed for the pipeline view to work correctly. So we have fixed that. You're good to go for first lien using that in your loan searches now. Next up is going to be intent to proceed. So very straightforward automation. If your loans have a LE disclosure that are ready to be marked as for intent to proceed, this automation will allow you to do that without the loans having to be open. Very awesome automation. And then the last thing to show you today is going to be our update to our email automation. So what we have done is we have migrated the reporting functionality to actually inside of the email tool. And what this allows us to do is this allows us to do a couple things like give you overrides. So if you want to override the description in your report that you're including in the email, you can now do that. And to override that, you would just say check this boxing, use field descriptors, and then if you have an override, it'll use the override instead of the field IDs. You can also now rearrange your fields. So if you come in here and you create this big long report, you don't have to delete and re-add and do all that nonsense. You can just use these buttons here to reorder all the fields exactly how you want them in your report. Next up for Ocean is going to be SFTP document uploads. We have a ton of stuff in store for Ocean. Now is definitely the time to get in here and use it. Again, there's no easier platform to run your automations for when you can't count on loans to open. And we don't try to duplicate any of the functionality that exists within the web workflow platform. We try to just add enhancements for things that don't exist or that aren't flexible enough. But if you have any ideas when you're subscribed, you are welcome to submit them to our idea portal and we will get those built for you. All right, have a great day, everybody.